Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another AliExpress product review. I got this in the mail yesterday. It took around, I would say, a month and a half to get here. I bought this on my BMW. I have a 3 Series BMW GT 2015. Let's get started. Let me cut it open and see what it looks like. So this is the first time I'm seeing this with you guys, and the first impression, I am really impressed. I believe it was $9 I paid for this. I don't think it was more than 11 with shipping and everything. I will put up a screenshot to show you guys. So I bought this for the mirror to give it a nice enhanced look. As you can see, this is the two strips. Comment down below, what do you think? If you own a BMW, would you be getting these strips for your BMW? They fit on the mirror. So let's go see how it works on the mirror. Okay guys, I'm back outside and I just put the strip on my mirror and you can see it looks absolutely amazing. This is how it looks. It has a carbon fiber finish. The quality is really good, and it is stuck there really good. I don't think it's going to come out at all. Someone literally has to peel it off. It's stuck there really nice. It gives the car a whole new different look. As you can see, this is the next mirror. I'm really happy with this purchase, and this cost me $9 something, I believe. Again, I'll put the link in the description and how much I paid for it with shipping and everything. But as you can see, really gives your BMW that extra added look for a really small price. Quality wise, you cannot go wrong. You really cannot go wrong. And it's getting a little bit dark now, so you can't see it as good, but it's something I would recommend. It really looks good. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.